Hi Mommy! So we are now up for another vlog, and for this vlog, magkakaroon tayo ng product unboxing ng isa sa pinakasikat na wearable pumps in the market. And what is that? It's Imani i2! Yes, you heard it right! Ayan! And you know what? I would like to thank Imani.ph for giving us a surprise. So, mommies, stay tuned because Imani will be giving away a lot of great deals for us. And of course, thank you very much, Breast Pumps for Rent, for giving me the chance to use this breast pump, this in-demand wearable pump. Lagay ko po dito yung logo ng Breast Pumps for Rent, and at the same time, makikita nyo rin po sa description box below yung link ng website nila, or rather their Facebook page. Ayan, so if you want to contact them after watching this vlog, so you can click the link below. Sabi ko nga po sa mga new pumping mommies, this is the best way to save a lot of money in the future. Instead na bumili ng breast pump to see which is which, yung magiging breast friend mo, why not try renting first? And in that way, magkakaroon ka muna ng experience with that breast pump, and once you're decided, sure ka na nakasundo mo yung breast pump. Now, if you are new to my channel, please do click subscribe. Or if you've been watching my vlog but haven't clicked the subscribe button and the bell button, pakiclick na po para updated kayo sa latest vlogs ko. Thank you! Ayan, so mag-unbox na tayo agad-agad because I'm very excited to share with you Imani i2. So, yan. Ito yung box niya, no? Ayan, so it comes first with a user manual and instruction on how are you going to assemble. Ito rin po yung charger niya. Ang charger niya is already Type-C charger, the same as the charger ng mga cellphone nowadays. So, this is the breast pump. Ayan. Okay, so pakita ko sa inyo to. Okay, punta tayo dito sa motor ng Imani. So, the Imani weighs 160 grams. Okay, imagine, ang gaan lang niya, sobra. So, if you're a mom on the go, or if you're a mom who's working from home, or a stay-at-home mom, suited sa ito kasi ang gaan. And you can roam around feeling as if wala ka naman talagang breast pump na nakalagay sa breast mo. Ang maganda pa kay Imani is that this is a Korean brand. So, unlike the ibang wearable pumps na it is made from China, mas may quality talaga if it came from Korea. We all know that there are a lot of pumps out in the market na made in Korea, and wala naman tayong masabi sa durability niya, just like this Imani. Now, I will show you the motor itself. So, maglalagay na lang po ako dito ng video para guided kayo since it's very hard for you to see up close. Okay, so meron po tayo dito na yung pump niya. This is what we call the on and off button. Ayan, ulit-ulit, on and on. So, next, we also have this one, yung hand na nakalagay na yan sa motor, that is the massage mode. We also have here, ito, yung parang pa-flow, yung design niya, that is already the expression mode of the motor. You will also see minus and plus sign, which indicates decrease and increase in the suction level of the motor. So, I will now show you. Of course, makikita nyo dito, may red ring yung Imani. So, this is the one na nagko-connect dun sa kanyang hands-free cup para safe talaga and in place. You know what, mommies? Ang maganda pa sa Imani is that if you purchase this, there is a 1 year's warranty, after sales warranty, if you purchase it directly from Imani.ph. By the way, their website is there at the description box below also. So, makikita nyo dyan, ano, if you are watching right now and still undecided on which to buy, ayan, you may visit their website. Now, I am going to show you their, hands-free cup. Okay? So, meron silang dalawang funnel na kasama. The first one is 28mm. Ayan. So, this is the 28mm funnel of Imani. And another one is yung 25mm. Ayan. So, yung 25mm, malaki pa rin sa akin. Okay? So, that is why I'm very happy to say naman that Imani has their own inserts. Yes, so they have their inserts. Ito yung box ng inserts. Ang cute, diba? So, ito yung inserts for those who are really new to pumping. So, madalas yung maririnig yung insert. So, this is the inserts of Imani. This is size 21 because my size is 21mm. Alright? So, this is their hands-free cup. Okay? So, this is also where your milk will go. I will show you here a short video kung saan pinapakita ko sa inyo yung output ko kay Imani. Ang cup niya is that wala siyang indicator kung ilang ounce yung makukuha mo. But you know what's good about this is that makikita nyo naman dito, halos na puno ko, pero ang laki pa rin ng space, di ba? Pero pag tinignan mo siya, mukha lang siyang maliit. So, madaya siyang tingnan, pero malaki yung capacity ng cup ng Imani. Okay, aside from that, did you know na ang Imani motor automatically shut off after 20 minutes? Trivia lang po, when pumping, ideally po, ang talagang per session kapag nagpa-pump ka is 20 minutes. And Imani just know exactly kung ano yung kailangan nating mga pumping mommies. Kaya you don't have to worry, you don't have to look at the time, kung nakakailang time ka na, automatic magsha-shutdown na siya. So that is one na talagang good dito kay Imani. Another thing na malalaman mo na original wearable pump yung nabili mo is that look at its parts, diba? The valve, the diaphragm is color red, and you know what? This is medical grade. Meron kasing iba na food grade, may tatawag tayo na food grade, and this one is medical grade naman. So, ang ibig sabihin, mas matibay siya. And all of this are also available, lahat ng spare parts niya is available in imani.ph website. So everything you need to know aside from watching this vlog is there on that website. So mommies, here's the surprise given to us by Imani. If you are really planning to buy a wearable pump, and after watching this vlog, you have decided na gusto mong mag-purchase, I'm going to show you something. There you have it. We have a promo code with great deals. So after clicking the website of Imani and you are going to order, all you have to do is just enter the promo code BPFR. Once again, the promo code is BPFR. Yan, you just enter that and you'll have a great deal on the products of Imani. So, ayan, so mommies, add ko lang din pala, you know what, after using this one, hindi siya masakit. No, hindi ako nag-clog ducts dito in comparison dun sa previous wearable pump na nagamit ko na talaga nag-clog duct ako kahit na right flange or right inserts yung gamit ko. So, with Imani, talagang ang sarap niyang gamitin. Very smooth. So, for you mommies out there, we are going to have a video on how to assemble this pump. So, come on and come with me as I assemble right before your eyes this pump parts of wearable pumps Imani i2. Okay, mami, so ito yung closer look ng Imani i2. So, ito, meron siyang rubber dito which keeps the hands-free cup to the motor tightly connected to each other. Ayan. Yung red na rubber na yan. Okay? So, try na natin to. Ito yung on and off button. Pag in-on mo siya, makikita mo nagbi-blink, 'di ba, yung ilaw. Blink siya ng blink. So, ibig sabihin kasi niyan, that is the massage mode. So, etong may kamay na to, this is the indicator of massage mode. Tapos, if you want to have the expression mode, you click this one. So, yan. Massage mode din. Ano yung na-observe ninyo sa ilaw na indicator that you are already in the massage mode? So, yung ilaw, hindi na siya nagbi-blink. Naka-stay na lang siya. But, if you get the chance to hold the motor, nagva-vibrate siya, and yung vibrate niya is mas mahaba compared to massage mode. So, of course, itong minus is for decrease, plus is for increase of intensity o level ng pump. Ayan, okay? Tumatagal yung motor na to for 2.5 hours na paggamit. Kaya matagal mo siyang magagamit dahil ang session naman ng pumping is usually naglalast lang yan sa 20 to 30 minutes. And si Imani, katulad nga ng nasabi ko kanina, is may auto shut off siya na 20 minutes. Okay? So, now, gawin natin to, no? For those who are new to hands-free cup. So, ito yung pinaka-cup niya kung saan ika-catch yung milk. Okay? So, ito yung pinaka-diaphragm niya. Malalaman mo na original Imani yung gamit mo if it is color red. Kasi yan ang talagang trademark ng Imani compared to other wearable pumps. So, you connect it. Yan, dito. After that, ito yung valve niya. As what you can see, it is color red as well. Ayan. Okay. So, after that, kabit mo lang siya. Para hindi ka malito, dapat yung valve nandito siya sa may opening. Ayan. So, kabit natin siya. Okay. After that, kabit natin to. Dapat yung butas sa between dito sa funnel ay nakatapat doon sa butas ng hands-free cup. That's how you use it. Okay? So, close mo siya. Once it's closed na, that's it. Ganun lang siya kasimple gamitin. Alright. Tapos, lagay mo na yung motor. So, yung motor, yan, may shape naman siya. So, makikita mo kung paano siya dapat ilagay. Okay? That's it. Nakakabit na siya. So, if you are now decided to buy this wearable pump, all you have to do is just to click the link, no? And if you're still undecided whether to buy, but you want to try this, all you have to do is, of course, contact Breast Pumps for Rent. They also have the link below. So here's their logo. And try renting it first. Yes, you'll never go wrong with renting. So I hope that this video has helped a lot of you mommies out there to decide on which pump to buy, and I hope that you'll find your breast friend very soon. So thank you very much and happy pumping, mommies!